right, everyone, thank you for sticking with me. I know it's always inconvenient when we have 3 videos for notes instead of 2, but I do appreciate you guys sticking with it and taking notes. We're on our last example, and again, this is going to be different from the previous 2, so it's important that you watch it. All right, so our last one. Graph the equation y equals x minus 2 squared plus 4. So again, we start with the vertex. Our vertex is going to be 2, 4. I'm going to graph it to 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, time for our roots, also known as our x-intercepts. Plug 0 into y and solve for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 4 from both sides. So negative 4 is equal to x minus 2 squared. Nothing for me to divide, so we just hop straight to taking the square root. But if you notice, it's the square root of negative 4. So can't take the square root of a negative, meaning there are no roots. But we still need 5 points to graph. You just can't ignore this. So what we're going to do is pick 2 x's on either side of the vertex to plug in and find 2 new points. So we're doing the table method again. And this time, we're taking the x values on either side of the vertex. So our vertex was 2, 4. So x2, so we're going to use 1 and 3. So 1, 3, x minus 2 squared plus 4. We have to find the y. So 1 minus 2 squared plus 4. 3 minus 2 squared plus 4. Plug those into our calculator, and our y values are 5. So we are going to plot 1, 5, and 3, 5 onto our graph. And that is what you do if you have no roots. You still have to find 2 more points. And then we still can find the y-intercept. So y is equal to 0 minus 2 squared plus 4. Negative 2 squared plus 4. And we get 8. So 0, 8 is our y-intercept right there. And we still do the reflection. So now we have our U shape that we can graph. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And we are now done with lesson 13, and we are done with our unit on graphing quadratics.